Hi children, today our task is write HTML code for the following web page art department. The outputs are given here how your web page should be. Then here what are the things we should apply for whichever the place it's given in the second page. In your third page the contents are given to copy paste. Okay. Then you come to online editor. Here you give the title. The basic tags are updated here. The basic tags are updated here. Here you give that title as suppose art page. Then come to this part. Here it's written body background color is black and text color is yellow. So you come here body place bg color equal to black, then text color should be yellow. Then after that if you press run it will affect here. After that what is given? Art department. This word should apply, it should get center and h1 size. So copy the word art department from your third page, then paste here. This should get center first, then h1 means little bigger size next. So h1 must be closed first, then center should be closed next. So when I run this part I can see the output here directly in the online compiler. Then what is next? This sentence should get, the first sentence arts and science, that sentence font color red, face is Comic Sans MS and size is 5. So I copy this sentence, I paste it here. It should get font color equal to red, then that font face should be comic. How will I get comic? Just go to word, type something, choose home and font. In that you choose comic. That letter choose Control A, then choose copy. That font name I can paste here. Then size I can give anything from 1 to 7, but it's given size should be 5. My font is closed here, then the font is closed at last here. After that I have to run this. I can see that's affecting here. Then after that I have to copy this sentence. This sentence should get changes of font color red, face is Comic Sans comic only, but size is 4. So I pasted that sentence. The same thing I have to copy because the same font color is mentioned, but same font face also, but size should be 4. I change the size. Then font also closed at last. Okay, after that if I press run it's affecting in my output screen. Then in between whenever break line required we can add BR. So it's coming into next line. You see here down it's given also give BR wherever page gap needed. Wherever you need gap you can give BR. After that the third line should get font color green, face is Comic Sans, then size is 5. So copy that line from the third page, paste here, then choose the same thing here. Font color should be green, face is same but size should be 5. So these many things will be affecting this line. Okay, if I run this I can see the changes, but I have to give BR to break this line. Okay, fine. What is next? It's given these many things I have to apply paragraph. Let us do that. Choose the part from here to here, Control C, paste it here. I have to apply paragraph for this P. Even if I give some gap over here in the paragraph, it will come like a paragraph only, like continuously. Okay, it came here. After that what is given here? It's written our intention and goals are should apply font color orange, face is Colonna, then size is 5, also apply bold and underline. Okay, So I copy the sentence from here, from third page. I have to paste this after closing the paragraph P. Then here, what are the things I have to apply? I copy the font tags from the previous. In that, the font color should be orange, so I'm giving the color orange here. Then font face should be Kalona something. You get the name from here. Kalona empty came here. Okay, then copy this face name, I mean font name, then paste it here. Then size should be 5 only. Then you have to add extra bold and underline. Okay, so here the font tag is over, then the font tag is closed here, but bold and underline I have to add extra. So bold, B for bold, U for underline. Then which one I have to close first? Underline I have to close first, bold I have to close next. At last the font should be closed. If I run this, it's affecting here. Then what is next? These many data I have to apply pre and italic. Okay, so I have to copy this data from here to here, paste here. It should get pre and italic. So which one I have to close first? I have to close italic first, then pre next. Then if I run this, it will come down here. Okay, then what is next? These two letters I have to copy, these two lines I have to copy. It's written apply big for first one, apply small for second one. So copy paste here. The first line should get big, then the big is closed here. Second line should get small, the small is closed here. Okay, that's it. If I run this, I can get the same thing, but in between I can add BR whenever it's required. I will add some BR here, then only I can get some gap in between the lines, like that. After this line I need gap, so I'm adding some BR here. Then after that, after this line I need some BR, so I'm adding some BR here. Okay, that's it. Now run this part, it's coming properly. Now I have to copy this code, then open Notepad, paste it here, file, save, go to desktop, year 7 web page. I'm giving suppose art1.html. then after that I come to desktop, year 7 web page, art1.html, open with Google Chrome. I can see the line here. Okay, in between enlarge, in between if you give break the line, it will affect here also, that you add here. Okay, see here I got same output. That's it. Now you have to upload, you have to send this HTML file to me. Okay, that's it. Thank you.